Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you EPS wiki fluid packaging mold. This mold has total 28 cavities, each cavity with 2 pieces of EPS filling gun and 2 pieces of EPS ejector. Machine type 1750. If there is anything worth mentioning about this mold, that is, in order to make the filling of the mold more faster and more uniform, we used 4mm aluminum core vents in the corner for bed filling and air exhausting. This will improve the bed steam heating and bed cooling time as well. These are very tiny small details for this EPS wiki fluid mold, but this is very important part for the production process of the qualified EPS wiki foam products. Again, factory pipe system design, right type EPS shaping molding machine, and qualified EPS mold. All these 3 parts are important components for producing the qualified EPS foam products. If you guys want to see more details for the EPS mold, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. I'll see you next video.